Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of open-ear headphones. Perfect for both the office and the great outdoors. These headphones are designed for those who want to stay aware of their surroundings, while still enjoying their audio. First, let's talk about what makes open-ear headphones unique. Unlike traditional headphones that sit inside or over your ears, open-ear headphones rest outside your ear canal. This design allows ambient sound to pass through, keeping you connected to the world around you. This is a huge advantage in an office setting, where you need to hear colleagues, or while running, cycling, or walking, where awareness of traffic and other hazards is crucial. We'll be looking at the benefits for office use first. Imagine this: you're working, listening to music or a podcast. With open-ear headphones, you can still hear phone calls, office chatter, and important announcements without removing your headphones. This can significantly boost productivity, as you're less likely to miss important information or feel isolated from your team. They're also comfortable for extended wear, which is a major plus in a busy office environment. Now, let's explore how open-ear headphones excel outdoors. Safety is paramount. When you're running or cycling, being able to hear cars, bikes, and other environmental sounds is essential. Open-ear headphones offer this crucial situational awareness. You can enjoy your music or podcast without sacrificing your safety. They are also often designed to be sweat-resistant and weather-resistant, making them ideal for workouts or outdoor adventures. Now, let's consider some practical aspects. When choosing open-ear headphones, consider factors like sound quality, comfort, battery life, and microphone quality. Sound quality varies, so look for models that offer clear audio without excessive sound leakage. Comfort is key, especially if you plan to wear them for extended periods. Battery life is critical, especially if you plan to use them all day. Finally, a good microphone is important if you plan to use them for calls. Let's briefly compare them to other headphone types. Traditional headphones often offer better sound isolation and sometimes superior audio quality, but at the cost of awareness. Bone conduction headphones, another type of open-ear design, transmit sound through the cheekbones. While effective, some people find the sound quality less impressive than open-ear headphones. Open-ear headphones strike a great balance between sound quality and situational awareness. In conclusion, open-ear headphones are a fantastic choice for both office and outdoor use. They offer a unique blend of audio enjoyment and environmental awareness. If you're looking for headphones that prioritize safety, comfort, and productivity, open-ear headphones are definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there. We hope you found this review helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Hello everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of open-ear headphones. Specifically, we'll be looking at why they're a great choice for both office environments and outdoor activities, with a focus on awareness. First off, what are open-ear headphones? Unlike traditional headphones that sit on or in your ear, open-ear headphones rest just outside your ear canal. This design allows you to hear your surroundings while still enjoying your audio. Why is this important? Well, let's start with the office. Imagine you're in a busy office environment. You want to listen to music or a podcast to stay focused, but you also need to be aware of your colleagues, phone calls, and important announcements. Open-ear headphones let you do just that. You can easily hear when someone is trying to get your attention, or when a crucial meeting is starting. This enhanced awareness can boost productivity. You won't miss important information, reducing the chances of miscommunication or missed deadlines. It's a subtle but significant way to stay connected, while still enjoying your personal audio. Now, let's head outdoors. Picture this: you're running, cycling, or just taking a walk. You want to listen to music for motivation or entertainment, but you need to be aware of traffic, other pedestrians, and your general environment. Open-ear headphones are ideal for this. You'll be able to hear approaching cars, cyclists, or any potential hazards. This is a critical safety feature. Closed-ear headphones can block out a significant amount of ambient noise, making you less aware of your surroundings. Open-ear headphones, however, allow you to enjoy your audio while staying connected to the world around you. But how do open-ear headphones work, and what makes them different? They typically use bone conduction technology or employ small speakers that direct sound toward your ear without blocking it. Bone conduction headphones transmit sound through the bones of your skull, bypassing your eardrums entirely. This leaves your ears open to hear everything around you. One of the main benefits is the improved situational awareness. Whether you're in the office or outdoors, you'll be more aware of your surroundings. This can prevent accidents and improve overall safety. They are also often more comfortable, especially for extended use. Unlike in-ear headphones that can cause discomfort after a while, or over-ear headphones that can get hot, open-ear headphones are designed to be worn for longer durations. Finally, open-ear headphones provide a great audio experience. They offer clear sound quality, while still letting you hear what's going on around you. This is an excellent compromise for those who want to balance audio enjoyment with environmental awareness. So, whether you're working in the office or enjoying the great outdoors, consider open-ear headphones. They offer a unique blend of audio enjoyment and awareness. Thanks for watching.